A cauldron is a large, typically metal cooking pot with a rounded bottom and often equipped with handles. Throughout history, cauldrons have played a significant role in various cultures and have been used for a wide range of purposes beyond just cooking. This versatile vessel holds both practical and symbolic importance in many societies. One of the most common uses of a cauldron is for cooking and food preparation. They are particularly well suited for preparing stews, soups, and other dishes that require slow and even heating. The rounded shape of the cauldron helps distribute heat evenly, making it an effective tool for simmering ingredients over an open fire or on a stove. Cauldrons have been a staple in many traditional cuisines, such as Irish and Scottish cooking, where they were used to make hearty meals like Irish stew. Beyond the kitchen, cauldrons have had significant cultural and symbolic roles. In ancient Celtic cultures, for example, cauldrons held a special place in mythology and folklore. The cauldron of Dagda was said to be a magical vessel that could provide an endless supply of food, symbolizing abundance and nourishment. Similarly, cauldrons were often associated with healing and transformation in various ancient traditions, representing a source of rejuvenation and renewal. In witchcraft and folklore, the cauldron has been a recurring symbol. Witches were believed to use cauldrons in their magical practices, mixing various ingredients to create potions and spells. The image of a witch stirring a bubbling cauldron is a common motif in literature and popular culture, emphasizing the mystical and otherworldly aspects of this humble cooking vessel. Cauldrons have also held significance in religious and ritual contexts. In some pagan traditions, cauldrons symbolize the womb of the earth or the goddess, representing fertility and creation. They have been used in ceremonies, such as those associated with the worship of the goddess Ceridwen in Welsh mythology. In medieval Europe, cauldrons played a role in alchemical pursuits. Alchemists sought to transform base metals into gold and create the philosopher's stone, and cauldrons were often depicted as vessels where these transformative processes took place. This association between cauldrons and alchemy has persisted in symbolism and literature. In contemporary times, cauldrons are still used in various cultural and religious practices. They are often seen in some forms of neo-paganism and modern witchcraft, where they may be used as altar tools, representing the elemental power of water or the symbolic rebirth of the practitioner. In conclusion, a cauldron is more than just a cooking pot. It is a symbol with a rich history and diverse cultural associations. From its role in traditional cooking to its presence in mythology, witchcraft, and ritual, the cauldron has remained a versatile and enduring symbol, with deep cultural and symbolic significance across the world.